Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about attributes in HTML. So guys, an attribute is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element and is placed inside the element's opening tag. So guys, so far we have seen what are the starting and the ending tags, and the starting tag is also called as the opening tag, and basically based on the tags that we use, the content will be displayed on the browser. Now guys, inside those tags we have certain attributes that we can define. Now all attributes are made up of two parts, that is a name and a value. So basically this is the name value pair that is being expected by the browser, that should be present inside all the attributes that we define in the opening tag over here. Guys, we will check this with the help of examples as well. Now the name is the property you want to set. For example, the paragraph, that is the P element in the example, carries an attribute whose name is title, which you can use to provide hint to the user. So guys, basically if you use the P tag that stands for paragraph, you will be able to see the content. But in case you want to explain more about that content, you can use the title attribute inside the opening P tag, which we are going to check with the help of example as well. And this title is going to be the name of that attribute. And on the right hand side, the value is what you want the value of the property to be set, and always put within the quotations. So guys, let us check these with the help of examples now in the VS Code. So guys, basically this is the content that we had written previously. We have a heading, that this is a heading of this page, and then we have the paragraph as you can see over here. We will change the title to attributes in HTML. So we will say attributes in HTML over here. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, the title has been updated. We have a heading and then we have a paragraph. Now guys, let us say we hover over this paragraph over here, that is we are getting the cursor on the content of this paragraph. So nothing is being displayed right now. So what we are going to do is, when we get the cursor on this content of the paragraph, we should see certain hint or the title that we are going to set the attribute inside the opening tag. So let us check that over here. After this tag name, we are going to have the space character before the greater than symbol, and then we can simply hold control and the space bar on the keyboard over here. You can see all the attributes that is related to this tag. So basically what we are going to do is, we are going to use this title attribute. So it contains a text representing advisory information related to the element it belongs to. So we are going to use this title, and then as you can see, we have the equal to symbol that has come automatically, and then inside the double quotes we can write our content as the value of this attribute. So guys, what we are going to do is, simply we will say paragraph over here as the keyword, so that the user comes to know that this is a paragraph. Basically we are making the user understand in this content only, but for the sake of understanding, inside the title we are going to provide this keyword, that is paragraph. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. Guys, remember that previously we were not getting any title over here when we used to get the cursor on this content of the paragraph. Now once we reload this page, what will happen? Let us see that. So after clicking on the reload this page, I get the cursor over here. So here is the title that we can see, that is kind of a hint. It is saying the paragraph, that is the keyword that we have mentioned in our source document over here. So guys, this is one of the attributes of the HTML tag, that is paragraph, that we can use. We can have any value over here. As you can see, we are going to update the value to test title in this case. So let me just save this file now and reload this page once again. So when we get the cursor over here on the paragraph, it can be seen that the test title is being displayed as a hint. So guys, this is one of the attributes of the HTML tag, that is paragraph. Similarly, we can have different attributes for the different tags over here. Guys, let us say we want to make the statement color as green. So what we have to do is, after the space character, we can have another attribute, that is style over here. Now guys, inside the style, we need to mention what particular property we need to set. So we are going to say color in this case. So as you can see, color attribute is being displayed. It sets the color of an element's text. So we are going to use this, and simply we are going to select green color over here. So green is being selected. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page. as you can see, the color has been changed to green. And this is the way that we can mention some more attributes belonging to this particular tag. So guys, comment in the comment section below if you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is making the text bold in HTML. So stay tuned.